I usually do get it. But not this time, I guess. Of course, when I'm recording, I get bad luck. Why is it that whenever someone's watching you, you get bad luck? Like, so say I'm playing guitar, and I play a song perfectly. When I play it for someone else, it will just not go very well. Why is that? I've always wanted to know that. 'Cause I mean, I'm not stage fright or that kind of thing. So I don't know why that kind of thing happens. Oh, I think I know a better trick to landing now. Slow down before, like a while before you try and land. Just so that, because it takes a little while to slow down. Do you get what I mean? Okay, yeah, you get what I mean. Whee. This game is so fun. So if I make really long episodes, it'll be because I like to play this. And I'll get the benefit. Well, you guys will get to watch it. Will watch me fail over and over and over again. Except for when I do cool nosedives and flips. That kind of thing. Watch this. I'm a butterfly. I think this speed is a good speed to land. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to change into a little bit slower plane just so I can actually land. You know what? I'll go with the Learjet, because this is a pretty good one. And I'm going to choose that one just because it will get me most money. And of course I want money. So how else would I be able to get all these cool planes? I mean, seriously, what do you want? How would you buy a plane if you didn't have money? Well, someone could give it to you, but I'm saying buy, not receive. That was close. Imagine if overhead you just saw a bunch of planes doing flips. That'd be cool. I would definitely like to see that. Let's keep popping these balloons. Just because they give us $8,000 for some reason. I don't know why they would give you $8,000. Have you ever ran into a hot air balloon and received $8,000? Yeah, neither have I. I'm talking about in, like, real life. I don't know why I'm doing all these risky moves. Ooh, yay. It's always nice when you... What just happened? Oh, sorry, it's an ad. Not sponsored, by the way. That was just a random ad. I wonder how hard this will be. What the heck? Am I the only person who definitely would not do this in real life? I hope not. If I'm the only one, then I'll just start calling everyone lunatics. Because I just don't get why someone would want to stand on a plane while it was flying. Because first of all, there's the threat of death. Second of all, you would actually get pushed off by wind. And third, it's just plain terrifying. Well, for me, I think it would be terrifying. Because, personally, roller coasters scare me, so... yeah. Not gonna be plane walking anytime soon. Okay. With this plane, I think that landing isn't going to be too bad. It's really the faster planes that are hard to land. And done. Wow, that's the first time I've gotten it that easily done in a while. I don't know why I'm talking in this high voice now, but I am, for some reason. Ooh, glider landing. I'm going to have to get a special plane. See, I knew it. Yeah, I'll just stop talking in that really high-pitched voice. I know it's annoying all of you. Well, most of you, probably. Load already. Okay, thank you. Gosh, this plane controls like a bus. Well, what I think controlling a bus would be like. And let's listen to the landing. Which shouldn't be too bad. Oh, come on! That was just, like, no. Why? Why, airplane? That shouldn't have happened, because physics. seriously getting a little mad at this. This is going to be the one. Third time's the charm. Isn't that what they say? Yeah, that's what they say. And... well, maybe fourth time's the charm. Let's see if it's fourth time the charm. I hope it's not 100th time it's the charm. That would just be terrible. This, I feel it, is going to be it. And maybe my lucky number is 4. You never know. I always thought my lucky number was 2. But hey, that's just what I thought. Well, I'm going to end it here. Just because.